by my house that I am finally doing a home reveal tour for you guys. Don't ask me why it took so long. I think I was just waiting for it to get to the perfect place, which never happens. It's like a never-ending process. But here I am, and here it is. Come on in. I bought this house 2.5 years ago with my sister, who actually just recently moved out, and I'm so sad. But we bought this house and it was Spanish style, so everything was super dark wood and like terracotta tiles. We really wanted to make it feel like an oasis. We are so inspired by our travels, places that we've been that we love, like the desert and Morocco and Tulum. So a lot of our inspiration came from those places you can see in our decor. So let me show you around. So we actually blew out all the arches. These arches were half the size. We redid the entire floor. It used to be dark wood, and we replaced it with like a really beautiful kind of stone tile. I'm gonna put the before and after pictures in this video so you can see the befores, but this was all dark and we completely redid the fireplace. I love the look of plaster, so we worked with an incredible paint company called Portola Paints, located in LA. Yeah, so we pulled a bunch of pieces in this room from different brands. Serena and Lily, Capikuo Home, Safavia. All the plants in our home are from Leon and George. And we wanted it just to feel, you know, very open and airy and light. And we don't really sit in this room a lot, it's more for show, but I love walking into my house and seeing it. We still haven't gotten around to getting artwork for the house, but we do have this one signature piece right when you walk into the home, and a family member made it for us. And like I said, it's inspired by like our Middle Eastern descent and our love for the Middle East. She's such a talented painter, and so this is a very special piece for our home. So I have a little trick, but we worked with a company called Bems, and they're known for beautiful linen covers for pieces. So they actually make these beautiful covers for IKEA furniture. So this couch was $500 from IKEA, but we worked with Bems and they did a cover for it. It looks expensive, so that's a little trick for you. And same with our dining room chairs. They're all from IKEA, and then we had Bems do all the linen covers for it. Okay, this chandelier is probably my favorite piece in my home. It's all the way from South Africa, custom made and designed by my sister and I, made with mud beads. It's by a company called Handmade Story. They employ impoverished women, a lot of them infected with HIV, and they give them jobs, and they make these beautiful lighting pendants for your home. There is a way to not spend an arm and a leg and still make things look expensive. Like our dining room table we found on Craigslist. It's a restoration hardware table. We got it for $1,000, and those tables cost like $7,000 to $10,000, some of them. So don't be afraid to look for the deals. These drapes are all the way from Lithuania, from a company called Lovely Home Idea, and they make beautiful, beautiful linen drapes in natural colors, and all of the drapes in our home are from them. Okay, it's time to show you the master bedroom, aka my sister's room. Cut to my editor putting old footage and B-roll of this room before she moved out, but she did have a beautiful balcony, which we can see now, and it overlooks the backyard. She kind of can have like a Rapunzel moment on top, looking down at me. It's like the freaking secret garden out here. I haven't been up here in so long, and this is getting out of control. All of the greenery and the vines, it's out of control. This is the patio off the master bedroom, Moroccan inspired, as you can see. My sister actually took a lot of the stuff with her, so it's halfway done, but you can kind of get the vibe. Another example of how we changed it from Spanish to Moroccan style is we changed the tile on the staircase, which is one of my favorite parts of the home. This used to be like a dark Spanish style, and now it's a beautiful neutral color Moroccan style tile from a company called Riyadh Tile, and they make beautiful tile for your home. This is where the magic happens, in my kitchen. We wanted it to feel very clean, very simple. And this is like one of our favorite places to hang out and cook. We're big cooks. Like I said, we wanted everything to look super clean. I don't like the look of a lot of stainless steel in kitchens. So everything is integrated, including our fridge. So all you have to do is just press it and voila, it opens. Our stove, we like the rose gold accent. We got this plaster because we love the look of like the plaster look, the texture look on the walls. And yeah, there's not much on the counter space right now because I like it very clean. I strategically put everything on this side of the kitchen so when you walk in you don't see all the clutter. So I have like my toaster here, my coffee machine, and this is game changing. It's a lifesaver. This is a filtered water machine that we got from LK, and it's a little bit pricey, but it's worth it because you never have to buy a water bottle ever again. This is our den. It's right off the kitchen and right off of our backyard. And this is the best part about it, our couch. It's all the way from Spain from a place called Zoco Home. It took like a few months to get, but it's basically a bed. I feel like 10 people can sleep on this couch. It's so comfortable. This beautiful coffee table, Kathy Kuo Home. This fluffy throw is from Serena and Lily. It took forever to find the perfect TV console for this room. This one we got from Grace and Living, and it is perfect. One of the things we didn't change about the house were these doors. They came with the house, and I love the detail. It feels very ethnic and cultural. I'm not sure where they're from, but they're just so beautiful and ornate. Walking through one of our guest bedrooms into the backyard. One of the selling points of the house was this backyard. It reminds me of being like in Tuscany, Italy. It has like European vibes out here, which I love. Love the pool, obviously. And outdoor space is just important to me in general, just to get out, get some fresh air. I work from home a lot when I'm not traveling, so this is my little oasis. I saw a lemon tree in the backyard and it reminded me of the Amalfi Coast, and I was sold. And on to the guest house, which I made into my bedroom / studio. Welcome to my studio, which used to be the living room area of the guest house, which I converted into a shooting space for stuff like Kadima, which I'm wearing right now. But it's great because we can rearrange it as needed, and it's my little set. These stunning vases that weigh like 1,000 pounds are from Kathy Kuo Home. We have 2 medium-sized ones and a really big one back there, which I'll show you in a second, but these are great accessories for a little photo shoot set. These curtains are, again, from Lovely Home Idea, and I use them to completely hide the kitchen that is in the guest house. I use the kitchen behind it for storage, but it opens from the middle. Voila! Get out of there, it's really messy. This is the massive pot I was talking about from Kathy Kuo Home, but I wanted to show you this special piece. This floor mirror is from Worlds Away, and it's made with like abalone shells, and it's just really beautiful, and I use this to kind of see my outfits of the day, do some posing. This is my bedroom, and this is where I do most of my work throughout the day. I have a little desk set up. I do all my Zoom calls here. If I have to do any emails, this is where I set up shop. My bedroom is in the middle of the backyard, so I really get the feeling where I'm immersed in nature. I hear all the bird chirpings in the morning and the hummingbirds throughout the day. I see squirrels running around everywhere, and I really love that. This is my bathroom off of my bedroom, and I love the stone shower. When we bought this place, and there's a skylight, so I can open the skylight and shower and feel like the cool breeze while I shower. It's really nice. Having a good bed is very important to me, so all of the beds in our house are the best quality mattresses you can find, the best bedding. All of our mattresses are from a company called Snugglepedic, and they're local in LA, and their mattresses are heaven. It's like sleeping on a cloud, and I actually did an unboxing video with that company, so you can watch that after you watch this video. It's on my YouTube. A lot of our bedding is from Cozy Earth. We have some stuff from Tuft & Needle and also Ettitude, so we have kind of like a mix of those brands in all of our bedrooms in the house. I hope you guys enjoyed my little house tour. It's still such a work in progress. There's so much more I want to do, but I know you wanted to see the progress, so I wanted to get this up for you. But stay tuned for more updates. Bye.